Happy birthday, Sandy. Eat your birthday treat. Eat your birthday treat. It says, what does it say? It says, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Gonna eat your treat? Eat your treat.
I might not die.
Happy birthday, Sandy. Eat it up. Eat your treat. Sandy's 1 year old.
Yay, 1 year old.
Times 7. Times 7 equals 7. What?
Oh, good girl. Eat it up. That's your treat for happy birthday. Eat your treat. Eat it up. Not your tail. Eat your treat. Lick your treat. You can lick it. You're gonna eat it? Because this isn't my normal treat. They're usually shaped in a bone. I got a scratch.
Now I have to peel chicken.